family, welcome back to Mama Ninja's Kitchen. Guys, we are embarking on our phase 2 outdoor cleaning. Yes, outdoor transformation, Oasis 2022. OMG, guys. Yes, the last time in our phase 1. If you have not seen that video, guys, be sure to check out that video so you don't miss any critical steps in this project. So this is our summer project, transformation of our outdoor into an oasis. Yes, guys, and I am bringing you every step of the way as much as possible. So now, today is our phase 2. Phase 2, we are going to see how efficient was the weed killer, guys. Guys, take a look at the grounds. Do you see any weed? Oh my gosh, I was blown away. My family, we were all blown away, guys, when we came on the next day to take a look. All the green weeds died off. Nothing else have been done, guys. Nothing else have been done. Okay. So yes, the auto weed killer 100% was effective. It worked. So guys, I am not sponsored by Auto in any way. This is purely 100% review of the product. The power washing is going to include, yes, all the sidings of the deck, everything. So that's gonna, again, take some pretty good time. The great thing is that this deck is actually a low maintenance, a composite decking that requires no painting or weather stripping. So guys, it requires very little, to maintain it. So all you really have to do is to either wipe it down or you power wash it on the low pressure, and it is back as new. So yeah, I'm going to be power washing down the entire breadth and width of this deck. As you can see, guys, we have some dark areas. This wood actually should be brown. The composite should be brownish color, tarnish brown. But right now you are seeing some specks of black surfaces, greenish surfaces. Yes. And on the frame of the fence work also, you can see some green accumulation. So all of that is going to be power washed down. So yes, I'm just giving you a quick coverage of the areas that I will be power washing. Yes, it's going to be an extensive work. Yeah, I am looking forward to the reward. Not to the work, but to the reward. Ooh, guys, who wants some time? Look at my time, guys. Shy. I need to find how to dry this, guys. Harvest it, dry it, trim it, because this is a lot of time. I need to call some friends to come and harvest some. So far today, guys, I have also applied the weed killer treatment on this walkway here. So I will not be power washing this section today. I will give it until tomorrow to complete the power washing here. Yeah, guys, I know all you have been saying is some concrete, some wood. Yeah, let me give you a treat here. Let's look at some of this rose bush. OMG, guys. Don't you just love this rose bush? Oh, a breath of fresh air. Yes, indeed. Oh my gosh, I am so blessed. Just to be able to look at that rose bush. It's just breathtaking. Thank you, guys. Yes, look at some vegetation, some greenery. All right, enough of that. Let's get back to work now. Here are some of the equipment, the furniture that I'm going to be refacing. I have this black chair here. The cushions are no longer good, so I need to replace that cushion and reface, which means I'm going to be cleaning, power washing, and painting the frame of the chair itself. And here also is my cottage chairs sets that I will be doing similar work to. So yeah, quite some project on the yard work. So guys, I'm going to be taking you along every step of the way. So it's gonna be a fun summer. Yes, outdoor living. Yes, indeed. It's gonna be work, it's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be entertaining, and it's gonna be mesmerizing and enchanted. Alright guys, let's get started with our power washing now. So yeah, I am all geared up in my working clothes. Yes, because I'm gonna be getting wet. I have on a very light sandals, that cannot be damaged. It's made of fabric. So yep. So you want to be prepared, guys, because it's definitely going to be wet. So you want to put on something that you know that even if it happens to get damaged, that it wouldn't really cost you that much. All right. So yeah, we're ready. So yeah, this is gonna be fun project. Yes, I can't wait to see the outcome. Yeah, that is my motivation, guys. Yeah, my motivation is the outcome. I know how it looked last year, and this year is gonna look even greater. It's gonna look better. Okay, so that is my strong motivation right there. So definitely you need to have a motivation, some intrinsic and extrinsic motivations. You need to have that, guys. Something has to propel that engine. So anchor yourself in that motivation. The span or the scale of work that needs to be done, you need a draft of that, because guys, Rome was never built in one day. You would never be able to finish your yard work in a day. It's impossible. So it has to be an incremental progress. Incremental effort equals incremental progress, guys. That is exactly how you're going to deal. So that is our dealing formula. Incremental effort equals incremental progress. So I'm gonna get started. As you can see, the sunset is going to be happening maybe in an hour. So I want to optimize this sunset. The weather is quite cool right now, so that is something else you want to consider, guys. Yeah, you don't want to hit the sun in the midday and start doing yard work, guys. No, not me, sorry. If I'm doing any yard work, it has to be the cool hours of the morning before the heat of the intensity of the sun comes on, or in the cool hours of the evening. Those are my best times that I would do any yard work. Okay, so yeah, because you don't have that direct sunshine hitting you, which is also very exasperating. So guys, safety measures you need to put in place. If you need hand gloves, working gloves, definitely grab some from the store before you start your project. For power washing, I don't need any gloves, but if I'm going to be doing some weed pulling and things like that, I definitely would need some gloves. So I was saying, guys, some pair of gloves. You're working outside, you definitely need to have some water beside you, a jug of water, a gallon of water with ice to keep yourself hydrated while you are out there. You know, you don't want to get dehydrated or go into heat stroke either. And that is why it's also very important to avoid the heat of the sun. You know, avoid those intensive moments, hours of the sun rays. So guys, without further ado, we're going to get this project going. Keep watching. All right, guys, headed down to the Oasis to get the work started. Guys, I just realized that I need to remove the covering of the water fountain to enable me also power wash it down. So we're going to take that off right now. Obviously, I'm going to need a ladder here in order to enable me remove this covering. All right, guys. So as we go through this, I'm going to be showing you some good tools that really indispensable tools. Can't do without them if you're a homeowner. So here is one, a step ladder. Guys, pick up one. I think I got this from Home Depot or Lowe's, one of the two. And it has been a lifesaver for any higher level projects that you need to reach up. This is a great tool to have. So yeah, you might have the very tall ladder, but this one is easier to work with. You see, guys? With the right tools, you can get the work done easily. So guys, here. You see that? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, baby. Let's get started. Always follow the manufacturer directions when you are using the power wash. Each power washer may slightly vary from the other. So guys, a good trick here that I discovered in this process is that the power wash is more effective when you pre-treat the surface. So here I am going to be spraying, the water as a pre-treatment on the surface, and then coming back, and you will see how easily, but with some pressure power, the dirt and the grime, the greenery, the green algae all falls out of the stonework. It is amazing. It is a miracle, guys. As you can see here, guys, I am using just pure water power washing. Okay, I'm not using any chemical. And to remove the tougher grime, all I need to do is move the mouthpiece of the power hose closer to the stonework, and it powerizes it up. Totally just blast off that dirt. So guys, the closer the mouthpiece of the gun is to the surface, the higher the pressure that is applied in powerizing that dirt off the surface. Good tip. That is money in the bank, guys. Money in the bank.
So yes,
it will save you a lot of time. But be careful, don't break your back.
So as you can see, the sun has set. We are now using the light source.
Oh wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here today. So I did 2/3 of the Oasis ground. I actually did more than I thought I was gonna do. So that's good. That's a huge success. We'll finish it up tomorrow. But as you can see, I have dirt all over my body. So yeah, but we got it. We got it. Wow, guys, this has been a monumental task. But as you can see, it is evident that some work has happened here. Would you agree? Huh? Guys, OMG. Oh, the cleaning. My gosh. My gosh. If there's anyone out there, if you have a better solution, because I've been out here since 9 o'clock and it's almost 2, and I already put in like 2 hours into it yesterday. So yeah, so guys, yeah, you can see the dirt. See the dirt. Look at that. See the dirt. See the dirt that came off from the stonework. Yes, guys. Dirt, moss, sand, all of the above, just in there. Dirt that I need to power wash off. So once I complete that full circle, then I have to come back around, go over the entire space again. Yeah. So in terms of pulling of the weeds or the dead weeds, there's really not much. Once I apply that direct pressure on the gaps between the stonework, it pretty much kind of uproots the weed from the roots. Only the tough ones I have to pull. Okay. Cleaning is all done. Power washing is all done for the Oasis grounds and the surrounding frame. So now I have already power washed the water fountain. So I'm just going to give it a good rinse. And then we're going to pack up here. That swing right there. Replacement materials, okay, to use for it. I'm hoping that it's going to fit. If not, I will have to remove that from that end. It's so dirty right now. It's unbelievable, guys. But I can see the evidence of the work I have done. So that is the reward. The fountain is on, guys. Sweet reward. Oh man, sweet reward. Evidence of hard labor. Yes, so they say hard work pays off. Man, that took a lot of work. A lot of work. A day and a half job, guys. A day and a half job. Just the Oasis alone. Just the fountain was pretty much protected with a cover, you know, so it didn't have much dirt or grime in it. But wow. The water fountain is working, you know. I didn't have to replace any machine or whatsoever for any parts. Just give it a good clean and rinse. Turn it on and it is bingo. Off you go.
Wow, 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 guys. Thank you all so much for coming with me in this journey. We got a lot accomplished today. Wow. So guys, after completing the Oasis grounds, I went ahead and power washed down the deck, the frame of the deck, you know, the fencing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Yes, I will be showing you all of that beautiful work at the reveal. So yes, you know, after a day's work, you deserve another treat of the rose bush. Yeah, the rose bush. It is so lovely and beautiful. Yes, guys, we did accomplish a lot today. Whew. Whew, it took a lot of effort, I must say. I would not deny that. A lot of effort. My gosh, that Oasis grounds alone took almost a day and a half to power wash the grounds, pulverize all that grime, dirt, algae, moss off from that stonework. But now, guys, as you can see, it looks just beautiful, just as new. I need to go for a deep body massage. Until tomorrow, guys, I will see you again as we continue this project. We are almost through, guys. The hard labor is almost all done. Oh, wow, guys, look at the treat of hooking up the fountain. Oh my gosh, wasn't that refreshing? Seeing the fountain working without any hinges, no hinges whatsoever. The machine, everything was working great. I am so excited, guys, and even more excited that I have you guys here with me, in this journey. We are getting towards the end goal. So yeah, our next phase is to put together the furnishing, the potting, the flower potting, and just a little bit of accentuations here and there. It's going to be beautiful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If this video was of any value to you, remember to do so. Smash that thumbs up, and share to your loved ones so that we can reach more people. Until our next upload, I say thank you. Obulu or Kimwefo.